We start this episode zoomed in on Spencer's face.
Welcome back to Dream State TV. We haven't made a video in a hot minute, as the kids would say. What have we gotten done? What have we done, Tom?
Literally nothing.
Literally nothing. And we have a pretty cool announcement, actually. And the fact that we've done literally nothing and we have this announcement is not a good combo.
We're driving Final Bout.
Holy smokes, they let us in.
They did.
I don't know
That
why.
was a mistake.
Yeah, so we're driving south, or Special Stage East, which is at Thompson Motorsport Speedway.
Yeah.
And they're doing the clubhouse circuit, I believe. I think. I don't know.
We don't know.
I think that's what they're doing. So yeah, we're doing a little bit of Final Bout prep today for this piece of shit. Ugh. Explain your car, Tom. Give me a camera.
Oh God.
What is, like...
Oh no, it's on me now.
Like, you have this this Laurel. We've seen it previously. What's the winner deal with this thing?
Well, so far, we've added an angle kit in the front, thanks to Lud's Fab. Woo! Which, did we make?
We filmed that.
I think we filmed that.
We filmed that.
Did we put out a video of that?
I don't know. If not, we could probably, maybe if we have it, cut to clip of that being, boys, man, the myth, the legend, the Lud's Fab.
Yeah. I have acquired rear arms and new bushings for the back. So apparently the coilover was unthreading itself, so now it's got some, doesn't have the droop like it was. Got a little preload in there. And then I'm starting to put on the new arms that I got. I bought SPC arms. These arms make it very easy at the track to adjust, and sometimes you do have to make small adjustments, so it's nice to have something that like isn't chintzy on your car. We welded the diff. Oh yeah, I think we did put that in it.
That's a video.
That's a video.
Yep.
Welded diff video. What else? I acquired this Urus kit that actually was supposed to come with the car, but I was an idiot and didn't get it because
He didn't know if he really wanted to run the Urus kit, but
I kind of wanted to keep it stock and not drift it, and here I am drifting it with a kit. So.
Yep.
We probably should go get lunch though, because I'm so drunk I don't think that I can paint this car.
one good thing there is about New York State: pizza and wings. Got a half-ass haggard alignment just to make this car just functional, drivable-ish. Just to get it to work. Car's kind of straight. Not bad. Steering wheel's kind of straight, which is good.
Nobody's here.
Yo, that Yo, this thing's gonna party. So these bad boys is going on here. So Tom's taking a side skirt off so we can get an accurate lay. You know what I mean? And then this just happened as well too. Bam!
We forgot to film an outro again. If you want to see more, then like, share, and subscribe, and we'll be back.